MeghalayaPost.news.
Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority lane ka MSLSA manta kasngi kala pelong ya program ban ai Jinghikai ka bakarpang na banta ki nong Rangbah Shnong nong alam thau kum ka wei na ka thong ban pensyai halor ki an bat kilat Jingiarap na ka Sorkar ha ka bayade bat ki kam an ba ki pajba ki don kam ka Jingiarap na ka Sorkar ya kan ka program balatip kum ka mediation and community mediation na banta ki Rangbah Shnong bat ki CM la pelong ha umling CNRD block Riboy district ha kan ka program lawan bansi menta da UTT M sangma MUS officer on special duty ka MSLSA ka kong Island Khoi Secretary ka DLSA Riboy District uba Eric C. Khar BDO ka umling sinari block bat kuntup kirang Rangbah Shnong bat kiwi kinong mikmat na ki Borsenshire District kumbalapan pau ka jing temu bakarpang ban pelong ya kan ka program ai Jinghikai ka di ka thong ban pentikna ban pentri kam hok ya kilat ai Jingiarap tani ki legal aid scheme ha bai de bat kam an barong kam Jingiarap iki pajba ka Sorkar lengba ka MSLSA ka bu ru ka thong ban ai ka jing sakri si ka imlang salang da ka bailat karpang bakinyo ya kajing besar ke bahok laka de hakan hono kam an ne mokot duma karpang nam tak itu ki om kot bor wan bu nong site ya ki an hakikam mokot duma baka Sorkar ke pentri kami ki skim bakarpang
International Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority. Meghalaya District Legal Services Authority, nongpoh. Mengenai boleh kira Shnong ki bangun industri dari training issue mentalan, kamu ki awareness programs. You must be knowing what the District Legal Services Authority is. हम हिंदे इंटर्नशिप हम के District Legal Services Authority. हमारे की districts ये दन का District Legal Services Authority. हम ये ट्रेनिंग दन ये नongpoh हमारे nongpoh half का building district and sessions court. Members of the District Legal Services Authority, you can vote the district and sessions judge, the chairperson, John Authority, the secretaries, the members who the deputy commissioners, but the SPs. The free legal services by the District Legal Services Authority, the I and Jingiarap in Sorkar. Mostly, we do all Ladakh APA, the Mokaduma by the Riboy Paku or Kashari. The Korea ki Kham Salia Baglansha Court, Galarba, the Alma, the Bible Kawaisa Kabul. Expenses are there, so hence, apprehensive the India and Baglansha Court. The District Legal Services Authority there, the I have equivalent, but one support that maybe I least leader Governor Kampal, CEO Jinghikai. We go and the government leaders, they give the LECs for the legal aid councils, then we give legal aid defense councils, but at home we have Mslsa.
So we're having a training for the headmen on the something called the community mediation for the headmen. So what we plan to introduce is the principles of natural justice into the way justice is administered at the village level. So what this is a project which has been commissioned by the Department of Justice, and two districts have been chosen. Riboy being an aspiration district and West Garo Hills being a very diverse district. So we have different sorts of headmen and different slight variations in the way justice is administered. So the main object of this project that we are conducting, we're going to have a total of 32 trainings, about 800 headmen are going to be covered under this. And the initial part of the training has started today in Riboy. There will be a 2-day training, one first day for theory and the second day on the mock trial, so to say. So what we plan to do is to, in addition to the powers that they already exercise under, the customary practices and traditions, we plan to supplant it by maybe introducing the principles of natural justice into the way justice is administered, making justice more accessible, more fair, trying to balance the individual rights and also the power of the headmen without taking away any of the powers from them. So these, as you all aware, that the 6th schedule of the Constitution being a part of the constitution. It cannot be violative of any principles of the, or any articles of the constitution. So we want to make the people aware of the powers that they can, the headmen especially, the powers that they can exercise, and also to balance individual rights. And so, the mediation is coming in a big way in, settling disputes, commercial disputes. There's a mandatory provision for mediation, and also we don't want to be left behind in that. So we want to, maybe settle disputes at the village level as soon as possible. So under this, we have covering all the nongpohs, the headmen, whoever is exercising, the powers of administration of justice at the village level. So, we've started with Riboy, and we plan to go to even West Garo Hills, and the target is about 800 headmen, and we plan to maybe round off by maybe July, so the deliverables are there. And this project, as I earlier said, is commissioned by the DOJ, so we hope by June and July we're able to do a study and also take feedback from the headmen on how it has gone about. So this is a brief about the training that we have in the at the moment that we're running. It's called it's a part of the access to justice from the DOJ, and we have some material on this. It's called increasing access to justice through community mediation.
MeghalayaPost.news